My name is Raj Mathur. I'm a consultant gynecologist and specialist in reproductive medicine, and I am medical director of Manchester Fertility. I've been doing fertility medicine for about 30 years, and my areas of expertise primarily are in clinical fertility medicine, which means treating patients, but I also have quite a large research record. My specific area of interest is in preventing the risks and complications that sometimes occur as a result of fertility treatment, particularly a condition called ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome, and I've researched widely and published on that quite a bit. I'm also experienced in looking after the male patients in the couples that we see. I think as doctors we have to understand that patients are individuals, and every individual who comes to us has their own story, their own background, their own ideas, their experiences and their fears and anxieties about their fertility. So it's important to treat them as an individual rather than just a number. And beyond that, every couple has their own dynamic and their own history, and we need to be aware of those things. I think it's very important to have a rapport and connection with patients. And I think that is something you get by treating them as humans and individuals, recognizing their individuality, listening to what they have to say, listening to their experience of things that have gone well for them in the past and things that may not have gone well for them in the past. There are so many sources of information about fertility these days, and people may have read things on the internet or heard things from friends or relatives who've had fertility treatment, or sometimes people who haven't had fertility treatment but still have views about it. It's important to recognize all that and to relate to people on the basis of their own thoughts and feelings about that. And at the same time, I try and make sure that I'm providing information to patients that is correct scientifically and is based on the latest research and evidence, so that I'm not misleading my patients in any way, but still trying to make sure that they get the full benefit of our expertise. If you have any concerns about your fertility, or if you're considering fertility treatment, then please reach out to us. You can speak to one of our lovely patient advisors on the telephone, or you can go to our website, which has a lot of information for Manchester Fertility as well as Essential Fertility. Whichever route you choose, really look forward to seeing you in person shortly.